Okay, this is Saturday, the Saturday before Christmas. We're at the Arroyo Grande Cars and Coffee. So we've got a few army vehicles here. I don't think I've seen that one before. Okay, we've got a lot of Mustang fastbacks today. So we got this blue one just pulled in here. And then there's a Mac one there, a green one, which is really nice. A blue one next to that. This is a car you don't see every day. This is a Chevelle SS Connoisseur's Estate. I was just talking to the guy. He said that he got it from a collection. Got 68,000 original miles. Look at that. Power, everything, windows. Gorgeous. 350 motor. AC, everything. This is a car that I haven't seen here before. Plymouth GTX. Wow. That's in really nice shape. Great colour too. Wow. Yeah, nice. This is the driver's side. It's a pretty cool old Chevelle. Pretty original by the looks of it. Vinyl top roof. Could be original paint. Pretty good shape. It's a Mustang GT 500 here. This is nice. Don't see too many of these at Cars and Coffee for sure. Wow. 428. Sorry about the sun, it's just a kind of a bad position, but wow, that is nice. Couple of nice cars here. One's been chopped, and the other one is the looks like the original roof line.
So I can get it lower, just to give it a different look.
And I assume that was where you were.
Actually, there's like you took off. That's what belongs here. Can't find.
And this is the other one. Both pretty nicely done. Just looking at the front of it. This is really, really nice. Dodge, like camper van. So cool. Wow.
Those folks, yeah.
We get right up here, you know, nothing hangs out. She always talks.
It's that Dodge camper. Wow, it's really nice inside. Really cool.
You gotta beat him, Bruce. Come on now. You gotta beat him.
Pretty nice Chevy truck. Lowered. Nice paint job around the windows. Pinstriping. Really nice.
Oh, very good. Those freezing. Yeah, icicles. Oh, very good. Yeah.
Yeah, good looking truck.
Try and play twice a week.